big breaking news that we are bringing you first on Republic. Now, 4 terrorists were killed in an encounter on Saturday night in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgaon had been staying in a hideout in Chinnangam Faisal area where they had constructed a bunker inside an almirah. And the visuals on your screens now show the bunker hideout of these terrorists. These terrorists were hiding in this bunker and were subsequently neutralized by our forces in a big win. Remember, the Kulgaon encounter claimed the lives of 2 Jawans and 6 terrorists have been neutralized. So far, there were twin encounters in Kulgaon. In fact, I will now go across to my colleague Zeenat, who's reporting live on the story from Srinagar. Zeenat, a very good morning to you. Talk to us about how were the terrorists able to access these bunkers? Were they assisted by any overground workers?
Very good morning. See the visuals that we beam. Basically, it is the footage that shows you the bunker, the constructed bunker inside that very almirah. This is a residential house where inside you have this cupboard, and then from inside the cupboard, the terrorists have created a kind of hideout in which they used to reside. And this tells you that the kind of hideouts that the bunkers are now being used by the terrorists to keep themselves, to maintain their movements and also to hide themselves from the security forces. But yesterday, when there was an encounter that continued for 2 days almost in Chinnangam village in Kulgaon, South Kashmir, there finally when things were getting cleared, so finally the joint security forces managed to have put their hand on this very bunker, which is definitely an eye-opener, telling you that where these terrorists are actually hiding, how they have created this bunker inside that almirah. And you see that we are seeing for the last couple of years now that whenever wherever the terrorists are neutralized, if the involvement of the owner of the house or the property is found, that property gets seized. So this time in this very incident, the landlord, the owner cannot say that they have no idea how these terrorists came inside their home, how they took refuge, because a bunker now has been found by the joint forces inside that very almirah of that house where these terrorists were residing. It's a very small opening of the cupboard where from you go inside the bunker, and it is a cemented bunker where you see that terrorists were residing. In this operation, the 4 terrorists were neutralized. The local terrorists of Hizbul Mujahideen were neutralized, though it is a bigger operation that is coming from the Kulgaon. The twin operations were witnesses in which around 6 terrorists were neutralized, and also the casualty to Indian Army 2 in number.
All right, Zeenat, I'm also learning that these terrorists were identified and associated with the Hizbul Mujahideen. Did they also have any clear PAK link?
See, as far as Hizbul Mujahideen is concerned, it's a homegrown terror outfit that comes from the Kashmir soil. This is an outfit which is usually joined by the locals of Jammu and Kashmir. So Hizbul Mujahideen, though nowadays we see for many years now that these terrorists, they keep moving from one organization to another. They provide logistic support to each other. But the terrorists who've been neutralized, they come from a homegrown terror outfit which is based in Kashmir, though this organization doesn't get much support from the Pakistan. But on ground, we see the OGWs, they work in coordination with the other terror outfits in order to provide logistic support.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us with your details, Zeenat. This is undoubtedly a big move by the forces in strengthening the security environment in Jammu and Kashmir. Viewers, with that, we will shift our focus